subscribe today. Today we're gonna be doing breaking a car.
Yep, we're gonna break a car. We're gonna try to break this car. Where's the camera? We've already dented the door, broke a window off or two.
Yeah.
Broken the tires off.
And once we drop down, we can show you if it's damaged, and we can show you all the pieces.
Yep, that we
And
get.
then we'll gather them up all at the end.
Yep.
So let's get started, shall we?
Yep. Okay. Double. Okay. First, Bryn, you get to drop it first. Pick anywhere to drop it from that's safe and it can't be on the hardwood.
Yeah.
You can whip it on the ground.
And the wheel tires have to go off.
Yep. Okay. I'll say down here, okay?
Got it.
Wherever you go, and it can't go on the hardwood. Can't break anything. Okay. This is where we dropped the doll from. And, okay, let's take a look. No damage dealt.
Okay.
Literally no damage. Okay, guys, I'm gonna whip it off the ground. And, they got a bounce on it. Looks good to me.
Looks pretty good.
Which one?
I'm gonna drop on this side.
You're gonna go upstairs again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this vintage?
No, it's not vintage. Just a Devlin Derby car. Okay. Ooh. Nice. Okay. I'll do the last one, okay, Bryn? This will be the last throw. Ooh, we got a looser door, but we loosened the door a little. Certainly. Okay, oh my. Ow. How are you still alive? This man's so good. Okay. Well, like and subscribe if you just want the car to actually break.
This is the damage.
Literally nothing.
Now the dirt cracks.
Ooh, the door now makes a noise. That's new.
Yep, and this dirt.
Ooh, okay, that one's been making noises.
So, and if you look very close, there's a crack in there.
Yeah, it's coming off. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.